love and respect. How I never turn my back and not to mention a word, not to disrespect, but talk about the way I behave. Let them know the real me so I can rest in my grave and rest in the pain for reincarnation will take its place. Talk about me in the times of my juvenile age. Don't forget to tell them how I met the mic on the stage, how I made peace with pens on a lyrical page, drafting a pleas for fams on a verbally way. You should talk about the plants I inhale every day. It's also inspiration in a way that tickles the game. Talk about my love for nature, how I honor the earth, how I brought together minds from all over the world. Yes, you should talk about me when I'm gone beyond the afterlife where you'll see me no more. Talk about my spiritual journey to native belief, how I met the Buddha, risen to my inner relief, how I survived the trap of the devil himself. Tell them all so they know, been to hell and back, just like everybody else. I got tempted as well, through the power of the Buddha, got enlightened and blessed at the time of my death. Tell them truth about else, tell them how I came to be rated amongst the best. Gotta tell them everything about the son that I lost. Tell them all, let them know, cause you came here to talk about the love of my life I'm living behind. Talk about my sun, the shine or luminous light. Tell them everything concerning my spiritual life. Let them know how I rolled at the age of my times. You should talk about the pain I carried all my life. Talk about the scriptures I shared to lighten you up. I'm off to the real, the boss terminated the deal. Talk about me, so talk like you said that you will. These are words you should be saying when I'm lying on my back. Ashes to ashes, holding soul in my chest. Put the body to rest, so reincarnated to flesh. You should say all these things when my body's at rest. Talk about me, talk about the good and the bad. Talk about the situations that I faced before death. Talk about me, talk about the Buddha himself. Talk about the meditation that revealed in herself. Talk about me, talk about the legend MC. Talk about the love and respect, talk keeping it real. Talk about me when I'm still. Talk about the righteousness of spirituality. What? You should say all these things when I'm lying on my back, holding soul with my chest.